Humidity in the home can cause many problems. Often it can lead to the cause of mold, mildew and damp, and can also lead to rooms feeling stuffy and smelling musty. Less obvious are the potential health problems, as damp environments often harbour dust mites, the leading cause of asthma. Dimplex Dehumidifiers remove dust, dirt and moisture from the air, making the environment less attractive to dust mites and other insects, and reducing the amount of moisture left to collect on cool surfaces, walls and windows. Did you know that in a typical 3.5 kilo wash on a 1,000 spin cycle, there is around 1.5 kilos of retained water? Using a dehumidifier in your laundry room can dramatically speed up drying times. When used in a central location, moisture from around the home will be drawn to the dehumidifier, and you may also notice that your rooms warm up faster when your heating system is on. So, how do they work? A humidistat monitors relative humidity in the home, and when this reaches a selected level, for example 20%, the dehumidifier will switch on and begin removing moisture from the air. The air is first drawn in through a panel filter which removes dust and dirt. This filter is designed to last the life of your dehumidifier and is washable, so should never need replacing. The air is then cooled, condensing the moisture which is removed and deposited into a water tank. The dry air is then rewarmed using the heat generated by the dehumidifying process and passed back into the room. Once the tank is full, it can be quickly removed and the water disposed of, or, because it contains no calcium, reused in your iron. This is especially useful in hard water areas. Dimplex Dehumidifiers will automatically switch off when you remove the tank, or if the tank becomes full. For less frequented areas of the home, an optional continuous drain line is available for non-stop operation. Dimplex Dehumidifiers are designed specifically for the UK climate and will work well even in very high humidity environments. Our range also come equipped with integrated carry handles and easy glide casters, and at as little as 4p per hour, they aren't expensive to run either.